In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select General Management, and click on Language and Input. By tapping on Language, you can smoothly select a new one by tapping on Add Language. Here, just pick the one that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is quite wide, so everyone will find something suitable. Let me choose Portuguese. Then you can also pick the region, and if you'd like to set it as a default one, click on Set as Default. And as you can see, it has been done, so now your device is in Portuguese and you can smoothly use it in this language. Then, once you would like to change language again, just pick languages, click on Edit, remove unnecessary language, and add the new one, the one that you would like to have. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.